Alrighty, y'all. It's the white paper, so y'all know what that means. Time for sinking funds, cash stuffing. Welcome. It's me, Camila Rose, and I'm back for another video. This time we're going to be putting the money away for our sinking funds for the month of October. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will see you all in just a minute so we can get stuffing. Alright, y'all, let's get going. We are definitely going to have to be doing some bill exchanges. Because we got a lot of these that need a lot smaller amounts. So let's go ahead and get started. We have, this is sad. Parents' anniversary gets $3. We don't have $3 for anything. In fact, we might have to start off seeing if I can find some bills to exchange. Let's feel for some thickness, shall we? Maybe a little in here. Let's see how much they have. Not quite, not quite. Okay, so none of these are gonna have any. Let's see. Take a venture down and see what else we got going on in our little, in the money land. 4th of July, Thanksgiving is gonna have mostly 5s. I mean, at least even 5s are helpful, so. See, this is 20, so put that aside. That's 40, put that aside. So, I mean, that's something, right? Let's try to see if we can get some 1s. So we'll be in a better space there. If I can just find some 1s. I know somebody has to have some 1s. Because there's always someone who has a crap ton of 1s. So we just have to figure out who it is. I feel like it's not Christmas, because Christmas is all 20s. Always all 20s. Let's see. I know it's not time for me to already have to go and get some 1s, is it? Now let me tell you who I know is a mess. This one has a couple, but I don't know how many. Looks like it's got 5, so I will go ahead and steal this 5. All right, at least we got some 1s. We can get started doing a little something something. Let me see if I can find at least one more set of 1s to at least start getting some change going. And then this feels low. Spring equinox. So we will not try to take more from there. Let's see, who else is in here? Health mostly gets 5s. Feels like it's nothing but 5s. NTTA feels non-existent. Training doesn't really get anything. Planner feels very thin, which is very strange. It should have more going on. All of these feel very thin, y'all. Our savings. Ooh, 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. I believe that's for gardening, maybe? Yeah, gardening / cosplay. Perfect. All right. Now we've got some change. Now we can get going. All right, parents' anniversary gets $3. Hope this doesn't come back and fight me real quick. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna actually trade this for 5. Oh, I don't have a lot of 5s, so I'll be mindful of that. So we've got 20, 30, 35. For that. Let's see. Mother's Day, Father's Day gets 2. So 1, 2, and I'm gonna actually, I'm gonna switch this out. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 is 10. So I'm just gonna give them a 10. Yay. Here's 10. 10. Oops, not there. Ooh, messy, messy. Okay. 10. All right. Mom's B-Day gets 3. Let's see where she is. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. She's at 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. She's at 27. I'm going to... I'm debating on if I want to trade this out for a 5, but I don't have a lot of 5s. I'm going to leave this as it is, 27. Dad'll be at the same amount, and he'll be at 27. Dad's feels thick. Did he have 1s? No, he was at the same one. 1, 2, 3. So he's getting 27. And then Karima, my sister, she gets 3. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to trade hers out for 10. So she is at $40 now. Okay. Not so painful once we actually get some change, have some money to do some things. So 27, 27, and 40. All right, now we have Juneteenth and 4th of July, which gets $2. And then we'll have Christmas and New Year's, and that'll finish out this first half of our sinking funds. Okay, so $2 for 4th of July slash. So we're at 22 for 4th of July slash Juneteenth. Thanksgiving gets 15, 10 and a 5. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, $105. Let me make sure these are all facing the same way. They are not. Oof, I hate that. I think all the rest of them are facing that way. There we go. Yep, okay. 105 should be the total. Yep. It was 205, right? 20, 40, 60, 81. Yeah, okay. 205. Well, that's a lot. That's a lot for me to not be going nowhere. I have a good Thanksgiving this year at the house. Okay. 205 for Thanksgiving. Juneteenth has 22. Then we have Christmas. Gets a 20. Christmas, we're at apparently 235, so. Alrighty. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 110, 20, and 30, 140, 50, 160, 70, 180, 90, 300. This can't be right. Yeah, that can't be right at all. Hold on a second. Okay, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 100, 20, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 230, 240, 240, 250, 255. Perfect. Whew. I was like, wait a minute. That number is real off. Right on track for Christmas, y'all. Don't know what I'm getting anybody for Christmas, so I guess I'll have to ask eventually and see what people want. And then $1 for New Year's. Let's see how New Year's is going. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we just finished this last one. Oh my gosh, okay. Well, starting a new year. Woohoo! Alrighty. Alright, there we go. That's it, y'all. surprisingly easy to get through once I had some change. Now it'll just be time for me to start my part 2 for sinking funds. So I will see you all in just a little bit. This will be posted on the next day, whichever one is the next coming up one. And thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.